Let's go to the quick ways to make some cash. We're going to hit on Apple. Finally had that down day yesterday, trading around, 388, well off that $400 mark. How you trading?
I'm going to watch yesterday's low. Apple had a big down day. I think people are getting scared to hold anything. It broke its 10-day. It's up $2. It might even be a decent short to go from positive to negative through that low. Use that low as a pivot because it could retest, this earnings area or maybe even partially fill it. It can actually get to this 20-day as well, and look where it came from. So 377, if this market gets more pressure, it could happen. So there could be a cute little short if it breaks this upper zone.
It's a very nimble trade, though. So if
Yes.
you're a long-term investor, you just got to wait it out for some kind of bottom.
Yeah, I think that if you're in it and you don't want to sell it and you have a
Just
few
hang
year
tight.
time, hang tight there.
All right, let's go to VMware, and then I also want to hit on EMC because since EMC owns about 80% of VMware, what are you doing with this? I know the chart's kind of having a tough time.
VMware was sold on earnings. It had a big move into earnings. They sold it down. That was a sell signal. I still think there's more pressure there. I'd watch the 50-day.
It's the same for EMC, though? You want to watch for the pressure?
Let's take a quick look at EMC. EMC, this looks like everything else out there, actually.
Yeah,
It looks
okay.
like, breaking through support at the 200-day. Hopefully, you sold some as it broke this upper area right around here. Now it's, a little bit late to be a seller here.
Okay, and then let's go to BIDU and Amazon because we talked about them the last couple days as being part of the tech leaders, but they're both having a really hard time. They both sold off yesterday.
Well, we talked about the line in the sand
Yeah.
on these strong stocks, and yesterday I showed you Amazon. I said if it gets below that 220, it's technically getting weaker. And if you take a look at Amazon, it got hurt yesterday. This, broke that upper area. That shows you that you have to be quick and nimble, even with the best stocks. We're coming into a bigger support. I would watch yesterday's low of about 211.30. If it breaks this, it could easily see 206.
All right, let's go to Las Vegas Sands, wrap this up because it's one of your favorite trades here, but it's just been having a hard time finding any kind of support.
It had great earnings. It had a nice move. It was a great strategy into earnings. And once the market got pressured, I think yesterday I sold the last of mine because I just don't want to be long anything on a macro level more than just a trade in this pressured environment.
And